Find specifications useful that people are talking of. Adamant Custom 3D Modeling SolidWorks CAD CAE Workstation Computer PC System. You can find wanted newest desktop computer here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. CPU 64-core AMD Threadripper 3990X 2.9 GHz processor. 240 liquid CPU cooler. MB ASUS ROG Zenith 2 Extreme. RAM 256GB DDR4 2666 MHz high performance memory. HDD 10TB storage drive. 2x Intel M.22 TB NVMe PCI Express SSD. GPU NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 16GB ECC. PSU Thermaltake Tough Power 1200 Watt 80 Plus Gold. Windows 10 Professional 64-bit. 12x ASUS SATA Blu-ray. Wi-Fi Intel 6AX200, Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11x, Bluetooth 5.0. Assembled and tested, 3 years parts labor warranty, free lifetime tech support, 1 to 2 business day shipping. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.